Okay, now the next section of our tutorials is going to be how to change the appearance of our blog. Okay, we can change everything in this blog. Okay, how can we do it? We go to the section of design. Remember that this is to go to the backstage. Okay, and automatically it goes to template. Remember that it always comes to this section of template. And this is where we have to change the appearance of our blog. Okay, there is a sign here, customize. Okay, so we click in customize and we go to this section. Okay, in this part we have templates, background, adjust widths, layout, advanced, whatever. Templates is to change the templates. Imagine that you don't like this travel template and you prefer the watermark template. Then you can see that the appearance changes. Okay, if you like, this is a pre-visualization. Okay, if you really like this that you can see here, then you have to click in apply to blog. Okay, for example, just to practice, we're going to apply to the blog. Okay, so the template has been applied. Okay, and we're going to view the blog to see, well, okay, the appearance has changed quite a lot. Okay, so we are going to continue changing things. Okay, we go to design, template, customize. Okay, background. Also, we can change the background. In this template, we can see that this is brown, but if we click here, we can see many different options. Okay, as we are playing, we're going to change it. Okay, for example, okay, travel. Let me check. Okay, we have an image of. Okay, the Houses of Parliament. Okay, we click here, and as we can see in this blog, we have the Houses of Parliament on the background. Okay, well, that's fine. I like it. Good. Next section, adjust widths. Sorry, I have to apply to the blog. Oh, okay, good. Template applied. Adjust widths. This is something that is not very good for you to touch much, because this is in order for you to modify how big it is or how it is not. Okay, it's better that you don't touch this too much, because then you can, you know, make it more difficult for you to handle. Okay, so in this case, I don't want you to touch it in this moment. Maybe when you are experts in blogs, you can do it. Okay, then we go to layout. In layout, we can have, for example, this is the layout that we have. The gadgets are on the right, but in some blocks you can see that the gadgets are on the left, that the gadgets are on the right. Okay, depending on what you want. Okay, in this case the gadgets are on the left, on the right. Well, many different options, but for our course we are going to keep the simple one. Okay, and finally the advanced one. Okay, the advanced one is that you can change the colors of everything. For example, blog title. Okay, we come here to blog title. The blog title is in white, but if I click here, I can make it red. All right, good, that's fine. I make it red. Then the blog description. The blog description is in this kind of color, so we're going to make it blue. Okay, blue. All right. All right. So we just have the title changed, the color of the description changed. Okay. Then the date header. Whenever we make a post, we have a header, and the color is not very well seen, so we're going to make it purple. All right. Oh, fine. Okay. You can do whatever you want. Okay, with your blog. In post, for example, in this case, this is the color video. Okay, so we can change it to title font, to background color. Green. Ooh, no, I don't like this one. Maybe this one can be good. Okay, this is the back part. Okay, so whatever you want to change, we change it. Okay, the gadgets, for example, the gadgets here, translate. We can title color, we can make it red, for instance, or we can make it blue. All right, can you see it? Okay, good. So whatever you want to change, you can change it. It's a question of what you like, what you think is more attractive for your students, more visual. Okay, so we're going to apply it to the blog, and let me check. We view the blog. We click here and view the blog. Here we are. We have the quite different blog now. Okay, We can see the title in red, the description in blue, the gadgets, well, we can modify them later if we don't like it. For example, the links here are in red and the color is not very well seen, so we have to change this color, okay? So remember, if we want to change that, we go to design, we go to template, we go to customize, we go to advanced, okay? And we can change, for example, the gadgets and the backgrounds and any, well, the links. Okay, these are the links, that's why, okay, the links have to be in blue, and if the color, if the link has been visited, it can go to green, and if we get over it, it can be in red, okay? We apply to blog, and we're going to see how this has changed, okay, now. Right, it is green. If I go over it, is in red, okay? And if I visit it, then, or if I click on it, I go to the web page, okay? Good. So, well, we have learned how to change the appearance of the blog, to change the colors, and whatever. It's a question of taking some time, and if you really think it's important for your blog, you can modify it, okay? Thank you.